Let's understand the product rule of derivative. So we have an expression y is equal to 4x square minus 1 into 7x cube plus x, and we have to find the derivative of this expression. So the derivative of y is denoted as y dash. And now since these two expressions are being multiplied, so we will apply the product rule. But before that, we will call this as first expression and we will call this as second expression. So how does the product rule work? It says first function as it is and the derivative of second function. So the derivative of second function, here we will calculate the derivative of first term, which is 7x cube. So 7 as it is, and the derivative of x cube by power rule is 3 comes on the side, x 3 minus 1 plus derivative of x, which is 1. So first term as it is and the derivative of second term plus first term derivative. Now we are finding the derivative of this term 4x square minus 1. So 4 as it is and the derivative of x square by power rule is 2, x to power 2 minus 1 minus derivative of 1 is 0. First term derivative and the second term as it is 7x cube plus x. Now we will simplify. This can be written as 4x square minus 1, 7 3 to 21, x square plus 1 plus 4 to the 8, x, 2 minus 1 is 1. So either we write it or we don't write it, does not matter, into 7x cube plus x. So that's how we find the derivative of an expression y by using the product rule. Let's now attempt another question. We have an expression y is equal to 1 plus x into square root x. Here we can see that two terms are being multiplied. One is 1 plus x, another is square root x. So we can apply product rule of the derivative here. To find the derivative of the expression y, let's write y dash, which is derivative of y with respect to x, and let's denote 1 plus x as one term and square root x as the second term. Now the product rule of derivative says first term as it is, derivative of the second term. So here we have to put the derivative of square root x. Since square root x is x to power 1 by 2, so we can find the derivative of x to power 1 by 2 by power rule. Power comes on the side, x to power 1 by 2 minus 1 plus first term derivative. Here the first term is 1 plus x. One derivative is 0 plus x derivative is 1 and the second term as it is. We can simplify this expression as 1 plus x into 1 by 2 into x to power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 into square root x, which is just square root x. We can write this in a more simplified form, which is 1 plus x divided by this 2 multiplied by square root x, which is this, plus square root x. So this is how we apply the product rule of derivative to find the derivative of an expression which is written as the multiplication of two functions.